For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital. I am Jyoti Jha. Today I am going to talk to you about two most controversial topics that are currently trending on social media platforms. I am going to talk to you about Bollywood and nepotism. We are going to discuss today if these two can be separated from each other. Ever since Sushant Singh Rajput's unfortunate demise came into light, netizens and his fans have been trending so many hashtags like boycott nepotism, boycott Karan Johar, boycott Bollywood, boycott Alia Bhatt and so many more. But today I'm not just gonna tell you if nepotism exists in Bollywood or if they can go hand in hand or if they can be separated. In fact, I am going to bring you some facts here for you to decide if these two can be separated from each other or not. Beginning with a few films that released from 2018 to 2020, let's see that India is the largest producers of film in the world, which means we produce over 2000 films every year. Now obviously we cannot analyze them all, but I picked a few films that introduced new faces in the Bollywood. Now beginning with the most talked about film, Student of the Year 2, this film introduced a new face to all of us, that is Ananya Panday. Now who is Ananya Panday? She is the daughter of Chunky Pandey, who is also an actor. Next we had Salman Khan releasing his film Dabangg 3, in which we saw a new face, Sai Manjrekar. Now Sai Manjrekar is the daughter of Mahesh Manjrekar, who is an actor and also a filmmaker. Coming to 2020, Jawani Jaane Man, we recently had Saif Ali Khan's movie releasing and hitting the screens, where we had this new face called Alaya Furniture Wala, who is none other than the daughter of actor Pooja Bedi. Now going back to 2019, we had this film called Malal hitting the screens. We had two new faces in this movie, that was Mizan Jafri, who was none other than son of Javed Jafri, and we had Sharmin Sehgal, niece of the most famous Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Now I don't know if it's the best part or the worst part, but there is no film in these years that had a fresh face with absolutely no connection in Bollywood. Since June 14, that is from the day of SSR's suicide, people have been sharing many video clips from many interviews and other past events. They are using these clips to prove that nepotism existed. For example, this video. Now Bravo is seen dancing with many other celebrities including Varun Dhawan, Alia Bhatt, Katrina Kaif and also Sushant Singh. But it seemed like eventually Sushant was sidelined by these actors. Now this was just one such video. People have also been sharing videos of his statements on nepotism in various events, proving that he was a victim of nepotism. For example, this clip from one of his media brief, just listen into what he had to say.
Well, yes, nepotism is there and it's there, it's everywhere. It's just not in Bollywood. And so you can't do anything about it. But yes, nepotism can coexist and nothing would happen. But at the same time, if you deliberately don't allow right talents to come up, then there's a problem. And then the whole structure of the industry would collapse one day.
Soon after SSR's suicide, many reactions from many people was put up on social media. Kangana Ranaut also came out to backlash nepotism, and this is what she had to say.
आप देखें उनके कुछ लास्ट पोस्ट, वो क्लियरली कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को बैक कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज मेरी फिल्म में देखो, मेरा कोई गॉडफादर नहीं है, मुझे निकाल दिया जाएगा इस इंडस्ट्री से। अपने इंटरव्यू में वो जाहिर कर रहे हैं कि मुझे क्यों नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री अपनाती है, आई फील लाइक अ लेफ्ट ओवर। तो क्या इसमें इस हादसे की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है? किस तरह से अगर किसी और स्टार किड ने इस तरह से 6-7 साल के स्पैन में काय पहुंचे, जैसे उनको कोई डेब्यू की कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला।
While this is what Kangana Ranaut had to say, filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma had a complete different take on the same issue. The filmmaker did not just support Karan Johar, but he also supported the culture of nepotism in Bollywood. In fact, one of his tweets read that if Sushant Singh Rajput had established himself as a successful actor in Bollywood industry, 15 years down the lane, he would have introduced his own son into the industry. Now, according to him, nepotism cannot be taken away from Bollywood, and if so, then the industry will collapse. Now, what do you think about it? Do you support Kangana Ranaut, or are you with Ram Gopal Verma when it comes to separating nepotism from Bollywood? Do share your opinions in the comment section. In the meantime, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital. Thank you for watching.